Hey everyone, it's Prunela. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy neutral glam eyeshadow look that's perfect for every occasion. It's soft, sophisticated and totally wearable. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette for this one because it's a very versatile palette. Let's get started. Let's start with the brows first. I'm using the Kosas Brow Pop Pencil in the shade Black to fill in any sparse areas and define the shape. And now I'm gonna go in with the Pixi Beauty Brow Tamer Gel to keep those brow hair in place all day long. Next we're going to prep in the eyelids. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Biscuit to create a smooth base for the eyeshadow. This will help the shadows blend seamlessly and last longer. I'm starting with the shade Burnt Orange from the palette and I'm using the Morphe A11 brush to apply the transition shade. I'm applying this onto the crease with this fluffy brush and blending it out really well. Make sure you blend this into your skin tone as far as possible. To deepen the outer corner, I'm going to be using the Nikia Joy Cosmetics E03 brush along with the shade Cypress Umber. This is where we're going to build the intensity of the look. I'm packing this shade onto the crease and blending it out to create a soft, smoky effect. And with whatever's on the brush, apply that on the lower lash line too. To blend out the dark brown into the lighter brown shade, I'm using the Morphe A11 brush from before. Now to really define the outer corner and to add a lot more intensity, I'm going to be using the shade Noir to apply this on the outer V. I'm using the same Nikia Joy Cosmetics E03 brush for this step. And now I'm going to go back with my A11 brush from Morphe to blend it all out seamlessly. I really want to clean up the eyelids, so I'm going to go in with the Garnier Micellar Water on a Q-tip and I'm going to clean half of the eyelid. Make sure you're not going into the outer corner. After the eyelid is dry, I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer to prime the eyelids again. Make sure this is blended out well and don't apply too much product. For eyeshadow, I'm going to dip into the shade Orange Soda with a flat brush. You can use any one, and we're going to apply this on the eyelid. With whatever's remaining on the brush, make sure you're blending that on the lower lash line too. And this is how your eye should look. To create a wing liner, I'm going to be using the black shade Noir to create this eye look. You can use any angle liner brush for this step. Take your time. And before mascara, your eye should look something like this. I'm going in with my trusted Lily Lashes lash curler to curl my lashes first. This will just help curl the lashes more and lengthen them a bit. Going in with the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, we're going to apply this on the upper lashes and on the lower lashes. You can build up the intensity as much as you like. And there you have it, a neutral glam eye look that's perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe for more makeup tutorials. I also want to hear from you in the comments below. Let me know what's your favorite part of this look. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.